Hello and welcome to your advanced Java programming course, and in this video we're going to be discussing the indexOf and lastIndexOf methods. I'll begin with the indexOf method. This method is used to determine the place of a char or string in another string. This method will return an integer depending on where the char or string is situated in the large string. For example, we'll have this line of code here. Int temp equals sentence.indexOf, open brackets, and then you'll have single quotation marks because it's a char, and inside the letter R, close bracket semicolon. What this will then do is scan through the sentence variable, look for the first R, and then return an integer using the number play system. This method isn't set only to chars, it also works with string variables. So if you're looking for a specific line of characters in a string, it will work just as well if it was a single char variable. The code will be written as follows. Int temp equals sentence.indexOf, and then double quotation marks inside the brackets because it is a string, and then a full word such as random. So if we take the sentence "this is a random sentence," it will locate the first instance of random, and then it will return the int that positions it in that string. The indexOf method scans strings from left to right. But suppose you want to find a specific character or word that is situated near the end of a sentence. In other words, it's the last appearance of that char or string. Well, that's where the lastIndexOf method comes in. It works the exact same way as the indexOf method, but it reads the string from right to left. So the code will be written as follows. Int temp equals sentence.lastIndexOf, single quotation marks, and whatever char you intend to look for. Now, as you've probably already worked out, you can use these numbers in a substring method. You can then insert these integer variables into the substring method as follows. So let's assume we've created an int variable and have assigned it an indexOf method. We will then use that int variable, let's say num, in this line of code here. String temp equals sentence.substring in the brackets num close semicolon. But if you want to save yourself a few lines of code, you can just use string temp equals string.substring, and then within those brackets you have sentence.indexOf and whatever character you tend to use. In the next video, we will practice using the indexOf and lastIndexOf methods with the substring method.